Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone dome glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And let's see what is inside this box, what you're going to get. So I'm going to open it right now. Actually, I'm quite excited to get this because this means I can now protect my new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's see what we're going to get inside this box. So there are two parts in here, and the top part is the screen protectors and all the installation tray and adhesive glue. Okay, so there's quite a lot in here, and there is another component in here is the ultra light, UV light. So this UV light will help cure the adhesive glue, so we will use this last. Okay, so inside this package what you get is the adhesive glue. So we've got 3 bottles. Okay, so there are 3 bottles. You're not going to use all of them. You only need 1 bottle for each of the screen, and this one is for the second screen, and this is a backup. So again, you do not need to use all of it. And there is a bridge right here, we're going to use it later. There is a weight bar, this will help to push the screen down later on. Alright, so there's a few components in here. This is the installation tray. Alright, so we've got the installation tray right here for the S22 Ultra. Alright, so there is masking tape, so you get masking tape in here as well. So you've got masking tape to cover the top speaker, and you got the masking tape for the side buttons, so you use this to cover up the side buttons. Now you get 2 packs of each, so there are 2 packs of each of the masking tapes, because in this package you actually get 2 premium screen protector. So you get 2, not just 1, but you get 2 screen protector, so that say in a year time, if your screen protector is broken, you can apply a second one. So in this box here you get 2 screen protector, and even if you mess up the first one, you can try to put on the second one. And this is what it looks like. It is super smooth. Now it looks very thin, but actually it is very good once you put it on correctly. Now the key point is that you need to put the gel on correctly. If you don't do it correctly, you may have problem with using the screen protector. However, once you install it correctly, then you'll find that the screen protector is seamless. You will not even feel the screen protector is there at all. So let's just put it on for now so you can have a quick look what it looks like. So this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and if I put it on top of the screen, this is what it looks like. So it fits in quite well actually, and you can see that it does not interfere with the case at all. It is a little bit curvy on the side because we have the edge on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so there is a curve, quite a big curve on the side, and this screen protector also has a curve as well. So you can see it does not sit quite well within the screen and does not interfere with your case at all. And once you install this Whitestone screen protector on, you'll be able to use the fingerprint as well. That is the beauty of this screen protector, is that it allows you to use your fingerprint to scan your finger and allow you to access your device or make payments. And so that is the screen protector right there. It can be a little bit time consuming to install it because it is a long process, but it's definitely worth it. Once you have installed it, you can feel that the screen is very smooth, and you will not even realize there is a screen protector there once you have installed it. So the installation process can be quite long, so I will save that for the next video. In the next videos I will show you how you can install this screen protector on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So that is everything you get inside this box. Now there is this package right here. So inside this package some things, so I'm just going to take it out so I can show you what's in here. So this supporter, there is a plastic tab supporter that will help hold down the screen, which you need to use it later to install the screen protector. And there is an alcohol wipe. you will use that to clean up the screen before you installed. This also a dust remover and guide sticker right here. And these there are four observer pads. You need to use 2 on each side, and this will help to absorb the excess glue when it's spilled to the side. This observer pad will suck it up so that the glue will not accidentally go into the side button. Anyway, because you are using the masking tape, so it should not go into the side button at all. But this is what the observer pad is. It will be placed on the side right here, on the side of the installation tray, allowing it to absorb up all the excess what do you call this one, excess glue. Alright, so now there is also a cleaning cloth that you can use to clean your screen. There are 4 in here, I think. There are 3 pieces of cleaning cloth that you can use to wipe off the dust on your screen. And that's it. So that is everything inside this box for your Whitestone dome glass Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now I highly recommend you use this screen protector because it is very comfortable to use, and it also supports your fingerprint ultrasonic scanning. And beside, once you have it on, you will not even notice that you have a screen protector there at all. And that's it. That is everything inside the box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.